Alright, it is sunny right now. There's about to be some clouds rolling in. We got ourselves a storm coming here in a little while. It's windy right now, but that's about it. That's gonna change. So, yeah. Storm clouds forming in the distance. Alright guys, well, a tornado watch has just been issued from counties as far south as Van Buren to Jackson County, all the way as far north as Mackinac City. So, yeah. Clouds are moving northeast right now. Man. Lightning all over to the west. A little bit to the north too. Oh, I just missed a lightning bolt. Of course, as soon as I start a shorts video with my phone, the rain stops. Go frickin' figure. Come on. Well, there's a little more lightning to the west still. Figures.